We're now in downtown Pensacola.
Finally done.
It's a Saturday. Rainy Saturday. The museum. The Pensacola Museum of Art. What are you doing, guys? Back there. Hi, Gusty. Hi, Han.
Hey, what's up?
What's up? What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel.
Uy, kamacho na ita.
What the hell's that guy doing? Huh? Really?
Are you video pa that?
Are you serious? You gotta walk around?
No, because I caught him there.
No shirt in the rain. Yeah, I'm big and tough. He probably failed out of Army boot camp.
Or he probably joined a marathon. Community Maritime Park. We are on our way to next Navy base. It's been a while after... What's that?
I don't know.
After 3 months?
A protest here in Pensacola.
So, it may be a shopping day for us again because it's summer sale. So we're gonna check out if we can buy something on sale.